Hello, lovelies! You're all welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. Happy to have you all here with me today. Guys, we are cooking vegetable soup. If you live in diaspora where you don't have Efo Tete or spinach is not even available, get your kale. We call this kale, it's called grünkohl in German language. And you're going to cook it and it's going to come out yummy like Efo Tete. Let's get it started. So now get your pot, pour your vegetable oil into the pot, okay, and heat it up a bit. Don't bleach the oil. Add your diced onion into it, add your diced garlic into it as well, and fry for about 2 minutes. Now get your roughly blended bell pepper, onions, tomatoes, and habanero pepper. You can leave tomatoes if you don't want it, but I love it with tomato this time around. And I'll be adding my stockfish panla into it. I'm starting to boil the panla with the tomatoes from the beginning. I love this idea, guys. Just stir everything together now and boil under low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. Don't forget to be opening your pot occasionally and stir. Please don't let it get burnt. So after 20 to 25 minutes, now add your seasoning cube into it. Crayfish, you can add the old crayfish. This is what I have. I have blended crayfish. If you have periwinkle, if you have dried fish, it's now time to add it into it. Look at this meat stock. Check the comment section. You're going to see how I prepared this special meat stock for everything that you're going to love it. Now add your salt into it. Not too much salt. Locust paste is still coming inside, so add some salt. You can always adjust your salt. Now boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open it and stir together again. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Subscribe, like, and share. Follow this page. Now add your locust beans and add your Ponmo. This is Ponmo. I cut it small, my people. This is diced Ponmo cow skin. Add it into it with the locust beans mixed together. Look at this roasted chicken. It is air fried and meat. I have some Ponmo and meat inside. If you want to see how I prepared this, check the comment section as well. You're going to see how I prepared this roasted meat. Add it into the tomato mix, or it's pepper mix. Should I call it pepper mix? Add it into it. Stir everything together. Let them be well mixed. All right. So give it a good stir. Let everything come together. It looks yummy and the aroma here is yummy already. Now cover and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open it again and stir again. Now get the wonder vegetable leaf. This is my kale. I've washed it already. Now pour it into the pepper mix, guys. You can cut it or you leave it all like that. Just add it to the pepper mix now and give it a good mix. Let everything mix together. And at this stage, it's now time to taste for salt. It's time to taste for your pepper as well. Depends on how spicy you want it to be. I made this really yummy, spicy, and tastes super. Now simmer for 3 minutes. Guys, you need this. For a day that you don't have much time, always make some preparation of things. Keep it in your freezer, and within 1 hour you cook your vegetable soup and make your gari or your pounded yam or amala, and you will enjoy yourself. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. See you next time. Bye-bye.